Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Whoever Here. I hope that you are all doing well. You have been talking to me about the Time First podcast, and I know that you've primarily been recommending that I sit and watch with you the SB episodes. I couldn't find all of them, but then you also reminded me by saying that I should go back and watch a couple of the other episodes. So I'm going back to episode number 2. This is KZ and TJ, and I'm really looking forward, like the topics and the description and everything sound really, really interesting, and I'm looking forward to hearing a little bit more from them. But I'm also looking to you to help me because I'm not really sure where to go to find subbed versions of the SB episodes. So if you know, then please help me. I think I found, so obviously, please look in the description and you'll see like all the details about this one. The very lovely Soleil has subbed this, and it's available via her Patreon account. But I've seen on there that I think she's done 2 of the other, like the SB episodes. I'm just not sure where to find the others. All of your help will be much appreciated, basically. I'm not sure if you'll be able to, drop me links or whatever, but maybe you can either email me or drop me a DM on X if you're able to, and we'll see what we can do. I really want to be able to watch all 5 of them like in one go. Like that's the dream, and that's what I was going to do today, but I couldn't find them. So please help me make my dream a reality. I'm looking forward to this. So like similar to what I do with other podcasts, this is kind of like a watch with me. So I'm basically going to try not to pause, talk too much. I might throw in a couple of like stupid comments on top, and you probably won't even be able to hear them, but I'm going to try really not to pause. So yeah, we'll kind of catch up at the end and I'll tell you what I feel. Please, can we watch this together?
Hi again everyone, we are SB19 and welcome for another episode of Time First. Yes, at today, syempre, meron naman tayong special na mga kasama. Pero sa episode na to, super excited kami. Kasi bukod
Stell's
sa
hair really
musika,
changes him up, doesn't it?
bukod sa buhay,
He
at
looks
marami
so
pang iba
soft hair.
pag-uusapan natin. Pero dahil nga special din ang kasama natin. Yeah. Please welcome TJ Monterde and KZ Tandingan Monterde.
Yeah!
Love team.
Ang OA! Sorry kung natabakan niyo.
Hello po, welcome sa aming podcast.
Thank you po. Maraming salamat.
Parang hindi tayo ganito kanina.
Hindi,
Hindi ata yung
intro lang yan, intro.
Okay.
Kamusta naman po kayo? Kamusta? How's your day?
Okay naman. Super okay naman kami. Medyo busy. Pero buti na lang, busy kami pero magkasama kami palagi.
Yun,
napakasarap
naman o.
She's so cute.
Love team.
Nagtatrabaho ka lang, kumikita
Hindi nga
ka.
love team.
Kasama pa yung mahal mo sa
Yes.
buhay.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Thank you, Lord. Yeah.
Siguro
Oh,
ito na
Pablo.
lang. Dahil nandito naman tayo sa usapang time. Siyempre, balik tayo sa oras or balik tayo sa umpisa. Siyempre, curious kami sa mga nangyayari or paano nangyayari lahat. Meron ba yung moment na na-feel nyo? Siya na yun.
Oh, right.
Siya na yun. Yung parang yung moment na gusto nyong balik-balikan.
So, well, sa totoo lang, hindi kami yung type of couple na parang love at first sight. Hindi kami yung...
Sorry na.
Barkada kasi talaga kami.
Best friends first.
Barkada kami. We're one group. Tapos, yung time na yun, may girlfriend pa ako. Na-meet niya rin yung ex-girlfriend ko. So, barkada talaga kami. And then, eventually, naging parehas kaming Bisaya. So, medyo may automatic, kasi yun eh. Parang, Bisaya.
Connection.
May click agad yun eh. So,
Tayo, no?
yan.
Kikibusdak eh.
So, nung tumagal na, yun, parang medyo na-realize ko lang na, ang sarap kasama ni KZ. Yun yan. And nag-break kasi kami ng girlfriend ko. So, after
I love seeing their reactions to
kasama ni
this.
KZ. Tapos yun, develop na kami. And, yun, parang ang dali lang kasi ang bilis lang din, no, nung naging natin. Naging parang parang naging comfortable tayo with each other.
Ilan taon na po ba kayong magkasama?
Together, all mga 11 years.
Oh, grabe. Pero like...
I didn't realize it was that long.
Nagpakasal.
5 years.
2020. During pandemic. After like 6 years, 5 years. So, gano'n ka rin po nung first time mong nakita si TJ?
Kasi ito, nung first time kami nakita, English na ng English kasi.
Ang uuwi naman sa English ng English.
Englishero ka pala, kuya.
Hindi ganun pag Bisaya, di ba? Kaya mas komportable tayong mag-English kaysa
Bisaya kasi, di ba? Mas
Oo naman
English,
yan.
Bisaya lang. Hindi masyadong nagtatagalog.
Konyo.
Tapos, so, you know.
So you know.
Ano mo naman? Yung alam mo yung sa yung parang, pag kunwari, papasok siya ng kwarto, di niya kakilala lahat. Bigla mo siya mga 10 minutes, mamaya, siya na yung host. Siya na yung,
Dinuwan?
so ito na yun nangyayari.
Parang ikaw yun.
Ang yabang naman eh. Parang, asawa ko.
I really love how invested they all are in this love
Pero,
story.
yun, naging
So
friends
cute.
kami. And then, nalaman ko na same kami ng faith. And then,
Yun, malaking bagay.
Very
sobrang
important.
mapagmahal siya sa parents niya, which is
Super
one of the
important.
biggest things for me talaga na nag-stand out. And, ayun, sobrang perfect talaga na foundation ng relationship
Yeah.
as husband and wife, yung friendship in the very beginning.
Yan mo
Yun talaga,
kinikilig
I
yung mga staff natin. O, tingnan mo, nakangiti, oh.
Lalo yung isa, lalo yung isa.
Stop deflecting. It also made your
Uy,
heart
wala,
flutter.
hindi nga kami yung team nakaka-ins kayo. At
Parang nasabi niyo rin po na yung relationship
Gosh,
niyo
Justin
nabuo
looks so
through
pretty.
time, hindi lang siya parang biglaan lang.
Hindi siya
ganyan.
biglaan. So, ano talaga, parang gradual talaga siya, na okay, friends kami, tapos eventually, dahan-dahan, na-develop sa isa't isa. Nag-date kami 1 year. So, 1 year kami nag-date, tapos 5 years together na boyfriend-girlfriend bago ako nag-propose. So,
Pero-
dahan-dahan talaga.
Pero hindi kayo dumaan sa awkward stage. Parang, ano ba yun? Ano yung
Meron.
pinapakita niya? Mixed signal?
Ikaw
parang
siguro.
merong like the first
Di ko kasi first relationship mo. So.
first boyfriend ko to.
ganun. Ah, talaga ba?
Guys,
No
first
way!
everything.
Oh.
Yo.
Ba, hindi ko naman dinili yung first everything yung lahat.
Bang. Mas sa kanya siguro mas may awkward. Kasi,
That's so cute.
Kasi wala kang idea.
wala siyang
Wala kang idea.
Saka yung transition from kuya to
si kuya niya ako eh.
Look, I said I wasn't going to pause it, but that's so cute. Now it makes sense why she was kind of edging for him to talk first. I felt like suddenly her little cheeks went up because she got a little shy, but it kind of makes sense.
Kuya TJ.
oo. Tapos
Sabi nila doon na nagsisimula yun eh, pag kuya daw yung
Hindi
tawag.
naman. 3 years.
Alin?
3 years yung...
Yeah, age gap. 3
3
years.
years.
3 years.
Grabe. So yun yung parang nagkaroon ng konting adjustment period na mag-let my guard down. Kasi syempre iba yung boundaries mo nung parang kapatid ko siya eh. Tapos naging manliligaw ko. Tapos eventually naging boyfriend ko. Parang ganun.
So, kailan yung first holding hands nyo? Anong feeling nun? Siyempre, ganyan yun. Yun yung pinaka-intense moment.
Parang hindi
Yung
ko masyado maalala. Kasi
holding
sa
hands.
barkada kasi namin, lalaki sila halos lahat.
Mm-mm.
So,
I
very protective
really love
sila
how
sa
much of this I'm
kaming
understanding without the
agad.
subs.
May time na nakatira
Hard work
kami sa
pays
isang
off.
bahay and then tawag ito, para talaga kaming nasa PBB. Parang gano'n. So,
ganun
we
yung
were
setup.
very close. So, kung may holding hands man, siguro nag-holding hands kami even before.
Parang
We became a couple.
unconsciously. Parang habang
Pero yung may feelings.
Pabag. Yung di mo lumabas kayo, nag-date kayo, or ano, tas bilang.
Dito sa may Quezon City, best foot forward, makikipag-date, ganyan. Kasama ko pa si Kuya J, MVPA ko. Dinala niya kami dito sa restaurant, tapos tapos
Pasikat.
kunwari, pasikat, ganyan-ganyan. Hindi, kain kami, dinner, pag-uwi. Tapos ngayon na medyo matagal na kami sabi. Kaya hindi na tayo bumalik doon kasi ang mahal pala doon. Ang mahal pala doon sa konti lang ng kanin. Diyan sa may Quezon City,
Sinabi talaga yung lugar.
sinabi, pulang po kayo magbigay ng kanin.
In relation po dun sa, kasi di ba po dun sa song namin, meron doon, one day you'll run out of time. Parang gusto ko lang din po i-ask na yung decision making nyo na magpakasal, parang before that ba, na-feel nyo na, hala, baka mamaya later on, fell out of love na lang, or yung parang ganong moment, na-feel nyo po ba yun? Kaya parang may
I can imagine
moments
Justin
ba na
asking his parents these questions.
nag-hesitate kayong
Or his siblings.
Parang hindi, kasi nasa gitna ng pandemic, nagpakasal eh.
Uy, pero tama, maganda din yung question mo kasi we were supposed to get, so we got engaged December of 2019 and then dapat yung wedding namin was, yung same date pa na naman namin, August 28, 2020. Pero it was supposed to be in a different
Play.
She's so
completely
pretty.
different
Look at her
with
facial
sobrang
features.
daming tao na kasama
So
namin. Dapat
stunning.
it was supposed to be a really different wedding from what actually happened. Tapos, so nangyari yung pandemic, we're all very unsure kung ano yung mga mangyayari.
She's so stunning.
Yun din, yung pinag-usapan namin na walang nakakaalam kung ano yung mangyayari sa panahon ngayon. Kasi kung, nung time na yun, kung alam lang natin na matatapos din pala siya ng mga like in a span of like 2 years, 3 years, syempre iba din yung plano. Pero yung time na yun kasi walang short
Walang certainty.
Oo, walang
Ano yun eh?
certainty.
Parang December ako nag-propose. January, 2 weeks after, punta na kami sa Baguio. So you're supposed to get married there. Yung Baguio kami, okay lang na kami, ready na namin lahat invitation, nag-ready na kami ng lahat-lahat. Tapos February nangyari yung lockdowns. So, ano na kami, parang decide na kami na, okay, wag na lang muna. Wag na lang muna. Antayin muna natin to. Let's wait it out kung ano mangyayari. So parang one day na lang, usap kami. Tapos yun, sakto yung sa song na maybe, di natin alam, maybe we run out of time. Na parang bigla na lang na, wait, di natin alam ano eh. Kung hanggang
Yeah,
kailan
we're gonna
to.
put our
So,
whole lives on hold.
let's do it anyway.
It was a perfect
Parang-
time to be together. It
That
was
was that
things
time.
are uncertain.
Yeah.
Outside the relationship.
Sa lahat ng di kasiguraduhan, ikaw,
Oo,
kasi na,
sigurado.
Pablo,
Yeah.
stop it.
Ganda nun, di ba? So,
He's writing these lyrics down.
Uncertain na bagay sa
Yeah,
labas.
DJ.
At least we're certain that we are together.
So yun, decide kami, sige, tuloy natin yung kasal. So we were 20 people. Our parents couldn't, total, lahat-lahat, pastor, friends. Tapos, our parents weren't here because they couldn't fly in. Kasi walang flights nung time na yun.
Of course.
So naka-zoom lang sila. Nasa screen sa ganyang kalaking TV. Screen lang sila. Nakadamit din sila. Sa bahay, naka-camera. Tapos yun, 20 lang kami. It's very, very intimate wedding
It's the
talaga.
best kind though.
So yun, parang but na-realize nga namin na yun, hindi talaga certain ang lahat ng bagay eh.
Yeah, so,
Let's do it.
Yeah, so sometimes, like, kasi tayo, di ba, like, ako personally, I tend to overthink every single detail.
Super! May oras yun eh, mga 2 to 3 a.m. Overthinking time na schedule na.
Parang na.
Scheduled
Pero, yun,
overthinking
kung
time.
Kayo din ba, guys? Kung kayo yung type of person na gusto kong, hindi kong gusto. Pero ako yung in-overthink ko lahat ng mga bagay. In-overthink ko kung ano yung mga mangyayari in the future. Kasi yung time na yun, 2019, we got engaged. After we got engaged, pinlalo na namin yung buong 2020 namin. And then, walang kahit isang natuloy except for the wedding.
Yes, tama.
So,
Mag-aaral pa tayo nun, ng March.
we were supposed to. Basta, sobrang daming dapat mangyari. And then, when the pandemic happened, yun yung talagang tinuro sa akin ng pandemic na sometimes, when we overthink about the future that is not promised, it robs you of the joys of the present.
So true.
So, kaya nga siya tinawag na present because it's a gift. So,
It is.
sometimes, it's better to prepare for the future but make sure na you stay in the present.
Yeah, yeah.
Kasi yung future na yun, hindi naman yung promised sa'yo. Hindi mo
And I'm really sorry to pause it again, but I think that SB19 as a group, as a boy group, they do this very well. They do plan for the future, but I feel like they really soak in all the success and the greatness and the enjoyment of where they currently are. Yes, they're chasing that bigger goal, but I really love that about them.
alam kung plano mo nang bumili ako ng ganito, mga ganito, tapos wala ka na pala bukas.
Yeah.
Ganon. So, yun yung talagang natutunan ko sa pandemic na
Take each day as it comes.
take each day as it comes.
to be present. So, after the wedding po, parang, di ba, matagal na kayo as couple. And then after the wedding, parang syempre official na kayo. Couple sa talaga, like, husband and wife. May adjustment or may mga nabago ba? Like, emotionally or mga habits na kailangan i-adjust para sa... Like, malaking adjustment.
He's so
Hindi ko
pretty.
masyadong naramdaman personally kasi
Kinasal.
kasi nga magkaibigan kami. So para lang kaming parang dalawang magkaibigan na tumira na kami sa isang bahay. Yun yung pinaka-adjustment ko. At nag-share ng bills. So yun na lang. Pero my favorite part would be hindi ko na siya kailangang puntahan or parang pag gusto ko siya, andyan lang siya.
Wala ko
Yeah.
talagang, as in sinasabi niyo na, click agad kayo, click.
Hindi sa akin parang kasi siyang sobrang magkaibigan tayo magkasama. Yung ano lang siya, parang naging tumira na lang tayo sa isang bahay. Yun ang sa akin. Pero kung meron mga adjustment na petty siguro, hindi, not anything major.
Sino sinasabi mo?
Joke lang. Not anything major.
What did
Pwede
she
po marami
say?
kayong common together. Pero, meron bang something as an artist na like si KZ and TJ, like meron ba kayong mga bagay na hindi rin napapagkasunduan or iba yung beliefs nyo about
Marami.
something about, as an artist? Meron ba?
Marami kasi medyo opposite talaga tayo.
We took yung sa kanina, I think yung biggest adjustment natin was we had to learn how to show each other the love na meron tayo. Kasi, di ba yun yung parang naging challenge natin nung simula na pinapakita mo yung love mo in a way na feeling mo yun yung love. Pero sa akin pala, hindi pala yun. Parang we had to learn each other's love languages to be able to understand each other better. Parang yun yung pinakamalaking
Ay, ganun
adjustment.
pala, no?
Super. Parang
So, parang-
dun namin natutunan na you have to know your partner's love language. Kasi
For example, si TJ, the problem namin in the beginning, ma-acts of service
and time.
and time.
Time yung pinaka ni
Pero, mas nararamdaman pala ni TJ yung love pag words of affirmation. Pag sinasabi ko, love, ang pogi mo naman.
5 love
Napakagaling mo
languages
naman
ba?
magsulat.
Ano?
Sexy mo, gano'n. Sobrang nararamdaman
Ayan.
Baka dapat ano.
Sobrang galing mo. Grabe talaga. As in,
Nagkakaiba rin
So,
talaga.
dapat
Ayun,
tugma
ganun din
talaga
ako.
din.
Dapat malaman mo.
Yes. Tsaka
Ganun din
iba-iba
ako eh. Ganun din yung pag-express ko ng love. Sa kanya, time and acts of service. So, gusto niya na magkasama kami palagi. Sa akin, parang okay lang na may schedule ako, tapos malis ka muna, okay lang sa akin yun. Sa kanya, yun yung language niya. So, this is one time na-prove ko talaga na kailangan talaga yung language ng isang tao. Kasi, nung magkasawa na kami, so, random, normal night at home. Patulog na kami, nasa kwarto, so toothbrush ako. Tapos, nakita ko yung toothbrush niya, nilagyan ko ng toothpaste.
Tutulog na.
Matutulog na, silagay ko doon. Tapos, bumalik na ako sa bed, tapos higa ako. Tapos, siya na yung magtutoothbrush, lumapit siya doon.
Wow.
So, tapos, pag lumabas siya ng CR, tapos, naluluha siya.
Bago kasal pa lang natin ito.
Hindi ako magtutubrush. Ang dami mong nilagay. Ganun pala, no?
Ang linis to tawin pinoro.
Pero yun, parang sabi ko, doon na, naiyak siya kasi nilagyan ko rin ng toothpaste.
Pwede na siya.
Oh,
gamitin.
it's such
Sa
a
akin,
small
Wala lang
thing,
naman
isn't
yun.
it?
Wala lang yun. Pero
That's
sa
like-
kanya, acts of service kasi yun.
Or minsan galing akong
I'm really sorry, but I'm a big lover of love, and I have to just share this with you. But I'm going to talk to you about siblings, right? So, like years ago, my brother would be defrosting his car, like in the peak winter. The windscreens of the cars would be completely frozen. He'd be leaving to go to work. I'd be with this when we were living together. I'd be leaving to go to work, and he'd leave a couple of minutes before me, like 5 minutes. Like, I don't know, he'd be leaving at like 7:30 and I'd go at 7:35 because just a couple of minutes makes such a difference in traffic. And he'd be defrosting his windscreen and I'd start defrosting my windscreen. And instead of him just doing his own car and leaving, he would come over and help me do mine. And it's such a small thing, but I'd be like, that's my brother. Do you know what I mean? Like, such a small detail. And he didn't need to. And even if he didn't, I wouldn't have thought anything about it. But, like, I really noticed that moment. And it wasn't just once, it was every single time. He'd always stop, come over, and help me to defrost my windscreen. Little moments.
work.
That's a lot.
Pagdating ko, may pambahay na ako sa bed. Nandun na yung makeup wipes na tanggal na chinelas yun.
Actually, yung pagiging thoughtful kasi ng isang lalaki din, no? I think is like the best weapon kung bakit naging attractive yung
Excuse me.
lalaki for a woman. And
Ganun ka ba? Ganun ka?
Siyempre, kahit Susan yan eh.
yeah,
Pero parang
pero hindi lang
Yeah,
ako
you
showy
share with
talaga.
us too.
pagiging thoughtful pala. Kaya siya thoughtful kasi kailangan alam mo muna kung kanino mo ibibigay yung thought na yun. Kumbaga, sabi mo nga, kailangan
Alamin mo,
yung
ganun
gwahe.
yung gwahe.
Kaya importante rin na talaga. Yun, exactly yung sinasabi niyo po. Kailangan alam mo yung love language na isa't isa. What if effort ka na effort, ibang love language pala yung binibigay mo, di ba? Pero for her, medyo, hindi yan yung ano ko. Parang ganun, may ganun din eh. Minsan hindi kayo gaano tugma. Kasi kung importante na nag-uusap. And sa inyo, grabe, as in, parang, paano yun? Paano nyo nalaman yung isa't love language? Nagtatanungan ba kayo?
We took the time,
Yes, time. Pasok! Pang! Time counter.
Kasi di mo naman basta-basta sasabihin, uy, gusto ko ganito. Parang nakakahiya, di ba? Parang ano.
May ano yun eh.
Nag-test kami.
May test yun. So, nag-test talaga.
Ano parang couples
Online.
therapy?
Online. Hanapin mo lang. Parang love language test.
Love language test.
Very basic
Like, you
lang.
don't have to be in a relationship para mag-take ka. Pero at least malaman mo lang na, si
Ito pala
John pala, ako pala yung tao na mas nararamdaman ko na love ako ng tao
How
pag ito yung
interesting.
ginagawa niya for me. Ganyan. Or mas napapakita ko pala yung love ko sa tao pag ito yung ginagawa po. Ganun. Kasi may iba naman, nararamdaman nila yung love pag gifts. Or nararamdaman nila yung love pag touch. May ganun.
Paano po yun? Kasi diba, syempre, parang individually, may kanya po kayong career. And parang hindi maiwasan na, wari, guys, creative, punta ng tour, kayo po may sarili kayong mga gig. Mahabang time na mawawala yung time nyo sa isa't isa. Ay, yung ano, yung nagkakaroon na kayo ng problems
Siguro mga
or
2
how
years,
do you solve?
2 years ago.
3 years ago, 2023. Yung
2 years
yung
ago,
Canada.
I think. Parang sa isang taon, 3 months lang kami magkasama.
Wow.
Sa isang taon?
Na pagsamahin mo yung mga times na magkasama kami, 3 months lang.
Wow. That's
Dahil may
hard.
time na isang buwan siya nag-tour, tapos nag-tour din ako. Tapos nag-tour ulit siya, tapos nag-tour ulit. So, as in, hindi kami nagkakatugma-tugma.
Mm.
Pero, dun mo masasabi na you have to figure your partner out. Yun
You have
talaga
to
yun.
figure your person out. Not necessarily in a relationship, but
Yeah.
tayo as a grupo, you have to be intentional.
Yeah, yun, exact. That's the word.
Kasi ang ginawa, like si TJ,
Tension in terms of
intentional in terms of keeping the connection despite the distance.
Yeah.
Mm.
Na even though you have this time apart, it doesn't mean that the connection is severed.
Mm.
Na I'm away, but I want you to know that I'm thinking of you kahit nandito ako.
Yung nag-Canada.
Oh, like for example, nag-Canada si TJ.
yan ba si
1 month.
1 month.
Hindi ba?
And that was the first time na magkaiwalay kami ng more than 2 weeks after 9 years in a relationship.
Yes. Tapos alam ko na yun, bro, kasi nga time nga yung love language niya, di ba? So alam ko na to. Parang after nito, mga 1 week, baliktad yung oras. Alam ko na to. Medyo kailangan mong paghandaan to.
Makpaka.
Alam ko na to.
Away.
Alam ko na to. So yung ginawa ko, kasi nga time yung love language. So kailangan, I need to be present somehow. So
Yeah.
yung ginawa ko, I'm gonna be away I was away for like 3 weeks, no? Or 4 weeks, like a month. Yung ginawa ko, nagsulat ako ng letters kasi language ko naman yung words, diba? So, yun, ano sa akin yun. So, nag-prepare ako ng mga love letters na mga 5. Parang 5 yata yun. Tapos tinago ko sa iba-ibang lugar sa bahay namin. So,
Oh
if
my
there's a time na
gosh.
parang unti-unti na siyang pumipitik, ba't hindi ka tumawag kanina nung oras na? Ganun. Kasi minsan baliktad yung oras, di ba? Hindi, sorry. Kasi kami, tsaka walang signal. Ganun, busy kasi kami kanina. Ganun. Wait lang, bago ka magalit. Nakikita mo yung guitar case
Go
sa
and have a
likod.
look.
Oh, yung brown. Oh, buksan mo.
And that is so
Kasi
lovely.
may letter dun.
Sarap.
Doon siya parang,
Paano magagalit?
Yeah, yeah.
Naisip mo ba yun?
Yeah. He thought about it in advance.
Naisip pala 10 steps ahead.
Solid!
parang,
Future mind.
kasi parang, yun yung importance. Alam mo yung love,
Can
love
love
language
that.
ng
May
partner.
reference na kami.
Kailangan hirap. Paano pa yung partner mo? Ano? Ang acts of language niya. Gusto niya iwanan siya ng food. Paano yun?
Mas madali yun, may
Order
Order mo siya.
Order mo lang.
Yeah, order it in.
Pero galing
Pinano
ah.
siya sa akin nun eh. Parang,
Parang ako, alam mo, doon ako nabwisit, parang kung naisahan.
Bakit?
pero naisip.
Parang kung naisahan, galit na ako. Isang ko, anong
Pwede
gagawin mo ngayon?
mag-talent. Spray amoy yun, or perfume.
Malagyan niya ng perfume, nabubusit ako.
Nakakainis yun eh.
Ganda
no?
mo.
Gusto mo magayat pero
Ganda mo.
nawawala.
Oo, nandun ako sa, eto na, hindi siya tumawag. May bala na ako, magagalit
Mas
na ako.
naman.
Bakit hindi ka check mo sa ilalim ng turntable sa ano?
Meron na naman.
I love, this is the init. Paano magagalit? Etc. Pero dun babalik yung, you have to take your time in getting to know your partner.
Yeah.
Para ma-figure out mo
And you
how
have to
show
put
this
the
person
effort in.
the love na meron ka. Parang ganun. Like, time is always very important in every single aspect of, like, your brotherhood, in any relationship. And some.
Ngayon po, may question lang ko. Pero okay, I'm not sure if okay lang siya itanong din talaga or what. Parang, do you ever think po ba na, kuwari, kung kailan dadating si Aurora?
Oh.
Siya sila.
Oo, naalala ko kasi di ba umattend kami ng concert.
Thank you pumunta kayo dun. Sobrang thankful ako na pumunta kayong lahat dun.
Yung gano'n, yung parang sobrang sweet nga nun. Yung parang meron kang something magnificent pero isa-side mo kasi gusto ko mo kasama mo yung love mo.
Love mo.
Tapos nandun na buo hindi pa doon na buo si Aurora. Yung kanta lang.
Yung kanta lang, di ba?
Kanta lang.
Pero may pressure po ba kayong nafe-feel na baka maubusan ng oras? Or...
Especially for me.
Yes.
Actually, yun yung pinaka-struggle ko ngayon in the dynamic of the relationship. Kasi sa career natin, parang time is
Kailangan, seize the moment, kumbaga.
You may be here now,
Momentum
bukas pwedeng wala ka na.
Yeah.
yun. So hanggat meron, go lang ng go. But what if I get pregnant? Pwede pa ba akong abang may...
Yes, it is.
So, diba? Pwede pa ba akong ganito? Tapos,
Pwede naman.
She's so wacky.
tapos may malaking ganito.
I think you can.
And at the
Matutuwa ba
same
kayo?
time, as you get older, women, di ba? Parang,
Oh, yes.
Oo, parang may biological
Nahihirapan,
clock.
nahihirapan.
Parang gano'n.
Pero may idea, ano ka ba ate? Like, age or about the... Or year?
When I was younger.
Very personal
Parang dapat
questions.
by 28, may anak na ako. 25, ikakasal. 30, I have a house, I have a car, I am ganito.
Pero nawala nung nagbago nung ano.
No, parang when life happens,
It changes din.
yeah, everything changes. Lalo na ngayon, busy din siya.
Ayun.
So, parang,
Ano yun?
Ano? Pero po as a married couple na parehas may career, never niyo pong pinla na parang try na kaya natin or etong ganitong year, baka try natin mag-focus on, doing
actually, mas
family. Parang ganun.
Actually, mas ako yung mas
hindi.
ayaw pa.
Ayaw pa.
Hindi naman din na hindi, pero
For now.
oo,
Okay
for
lang
now,
pala.
parang ayaw pa.
Pag dumating,
Kasi dun din tayo babalik sa, I think I'm in my season of waiting sa career ko, na parang ngayon,
Kumbaga
I'm-
prime.
parang I'm happy with where I am, pero I'm
meron pa.
hoping na sana may mangyari.
Meron pa.
May mangyari pa, na I have more songs, parang ganun.
I feel like no one would
And
know more than her.
yun, so
Do you know what I mean?
parang
She knows what's best for her
Nandun
and
ako
them.
sa... Hindi ko alam kung paano i-explain. Kasi sometimes may mga tao na na-offend.
Yeah.
Lalo na pag napag-uusapan yan na parang, ay, yung iba nga gusto mag-anak. Pero ito,
Yeah.
ganyan. But,
Yeah. Pero sa amin kasi parang, like for me personally, a couple is a family. So, if walang baby, edi...
Exactly.
Yeah.
Pag binigay.
but we're not saying na
Exactly.
we're closing the doors.
Yeah, of course.
Goodness gracious,
Of
these
course.
two.
But I'm trying to take my time. Kasi I also don't want to force myself to become a mother just because I was pressured.
Yeah,
Yes,
before you're
tama.
ready.
And
Dapat
ayoko
hindi.
dumating yung time na pag nabuntis ako. And
Marami ka
then-
pang marami ka pang
diba, baka pag dumating yung time na may anak na ako, I don't wanna rob my child of the time that
yeah,
they deserve
gets.
because
So sensible.
gusto ko mag-work pa ng mag-work. Or parang ganito. Or ayoko din dumating yung time na baka pag hindi na ako mag-work, baka at the back of my mind, may regret ako na hindi ko napaglaban yung career.
Hmm.
So, the pressure actually falls sa babae. Kasi pag ang lalaki naman, pag nabuntis mo na yung asawa mo, pwede ka pa rin mag-gig. Tuloy pa rin ang buhay diba? Pero sa asawa, like ako, if I get pregnant, that's already 9 months na hindi ako pwedeng
Pwede
mag-rap-rap,
kumilos,
tumablik.
Siguro yung first 3 months pwede ba? Ay,
Oh,
Pag-hagil.
The first 3 months
Pag-hagil
after
ba?
you give birth should probably be included in that.
Imagine, no?
Pero totoo naman.
Hindi kasi
Iba-
totoo
iba
rin naman,
talaga
no? Like, pinaplano talaga siya. Hindi
Dapat,
siya yung,
dapat.
oo.
Oh, but you will never be ready. But I don't think jumping into it just because of pressure is also correct.
Absolutely.
Kailangan mentally, spiritually, physically ready ka talaga.
Hindi naman, kaya minsan pag may mga nang pressure sa akin, tinatanong ko, bakit ka ba mag-aanak? Para may mag-aalaga sa'yo. Yan ba yung tamang
That is such a
mindset? Kung
horrible
bakit ka
reason to have
mag-aanak? Para may
children.
mag-aalaga sa'yo, ginawa mo.
Tsaka napakaganda nung sinabi ni, Kuya TJ, a couple is a family. Hindi,
Yeah.
Di ba? Parang kayo lang, family na kayo.
Iba kasi may
Exactly.
sinasabi lagi na, anak na kayo kasi yan na lang ang kulang para maging pamilya kayo.
That's right.
Sa'yo naman kami.
Yok kasi yung
I love that perhaps SB19 could not have had this conversation by themselves because they are not in this situation, but we absolutely know that SB19 would champion a thought process like this. And I'm really grateful that KZ and TJ, I can't even speak now, are the ones to bring it to the table. I just love that.
Mindset ng tao na pag naging couple na, parang
Hindi kasi
required
na magkaanak. So, medyo
nasa own pacing naman kung
Depende sa inyo.
masaya kayo sa
Yeah.
nangyayari ngayon. And sabi nyo nga, hindi naman pwedeng pressuring ka ng iba. Sila magdidikta ng
Yes,
buhay
exactly.
natin.
Yeah, true,
Sila
true.
magdidikta
Parang
ng...
napag-usapan nga rin namin to lately. Parang yung generation ngayon, leaning sila on, not having a child.
Yeah.
Parang mas gusto nilang, yumaman na lang, parang ganon. Actually, yung podcast namin, napag-usapan namin yan, pero hindi nasama yung usapan na yun. Kasi, ang sagot ko doon, ako okay na ako na hindi magkaanak. Gusto ko na lang magpayaman, tapos gusto ko maging kultito. Alam mo yung parang, ano gusto mo? Sige, kunin mo lahat.
Ikaw
Parang
yung
ganon.
sumbungan ng kamangkin mo.
Oo.
Ayaw mila ni mami lang ganito. Ako
Ganon yung
bahala
gusto ko,
sa'yo.
ganon yung goal ko. Kasi may dalawang pamangkin ako. Tapos somehow, napagdaanan ko na yung parang pagiging parent na bata sila, ako nagpapaligo, nagpapalit ng diaper, binibili ko yung gusto nila.
Yeah.
So parang doon pa lang naramdaman
Alam
ko
mo
na, ganun pala yung pakiramdam. Tapos ngayon, nakita ko sila lumalaki. Ang fulfilling na parang, ayun yung mga inalagaan ko dati. Tapos parang okay na ako. Sige na, papayaman na lang ako para masuportahan ko itong mga.
Pwede tayo
parang
mag-anak para may gagastos sa mga anak.
Whatever you do, Stel, just be happy. Just thoroughly, inside out, upside down, thoroughly happy. Whatever you do.
Ayos
Saluhin nyo na lang yung ulang kung
I will not give my opinion on the matter
Ayun,
because it's really none of my business.
Feeling ko, I think yung generation kasi natin, tayo yung naka-witness ng mga nag-anak na, tapos medyo nahirapan sila na anuin yung mga families nila because they weren't financially ready for it. So parang kahit pa paano ako sa akin personally, may na-instill na fear yun na dapat
bago
okay
magkaanak.
bago ako mag-anak. Ayokong ma-experience ng anak kong ako yung nagbitbit sa kanya sa mundo tapos papahirapan
At
ko lang
ako,
para sa
nasa tayo, sandwich generation.
Yeah.
May sinasabi nga yung lola ko dyan sabi niya, bago kayo mag-anak, isipin nyo muna kasi isipin nyo yung anghel natutulog sa langit tas gagawin nyo, ganun yung sinasabi ng lola. ganun yung sinasabi ng lola ko.
Tsaka Kuya DJ, ang doon, ang ganda lang kasi parang ikaw as a lalaki, ako I have the same thought na kung ayaw ng partner ko, kahit feeling ko dapat ganitong age, hindi ko dapat pilitin. Kasi siya magbe-bear nun Siya yung magdadala nun, di ba? Hindi naman na kayo magdadala nun for ilang months. Yun nga, tulad na sabi ni Ate Casey, pagkatapos mabuntis yung partner, ikaw pwede ka pa. Pero yung babae, hindi syempre, sila yung maapektuhan.
After din nun, yung after mo, kahit malabas mo yun, kailangan mo pa rin mag-rest and mag-take ng time mo para mag-fully heal ka talaga.
Even
Pero
all these
again,
boys,
We're not closing.
kahit sabihin natin na
are they real?
ayaw pa namin, ayoko pa. Pag binigay naman ng Panginoon yan, I believe it's meant to happen. Baka ako lang feeling ko hindi pa ako ready. Pag binigay ng Panginoon yun, then the Lord must take
Pwede din naman kami ampunin.
Ayun, so, ninong kayong last. Ngayon pa lang.
Totoo rin naman, hindi naman
Pag chumamba daw, sabi
hindi ka
niya.
ready din.
Sabi ni, pag chumamba sa
Pwede namang anong gawin yung hindi nyo na mapausog na lang.
Go lang, ate, go. Sabihin mo lang.
Kahit ano namang gawin yung prevention. Wow.
Maganda.
Tamang.
Pasok yun.
Pag sinabi ng
binigay,
Panginoon na,
Para sa'yo na to.
oo, para sa'yo na to.
Crossover yung
Alam
Mga Mary
naman
guy.
yun ni Lord kung kailan ka ready at ibibigay niya yun.
So,
Tama.
tatanggapin naman natin yan. Kasi yung, hindi naman, gift yun
Yeah.
Yun.
Gift,
Pero
yes.
ako lang yun, if I were to decide for myself, for us.
Sobrang, ang dami ko natututunan
Sana-
niya.
Kanya-kanya tayo. Kanya-kanya
Kanya-kanya
tayo. May kanya-kanya
tayo ng
tayong buhay.
time.
Yeah.
Kanya-kanya tayo.
Kanya-kanya
Tama.
tayo.
For sure gets yun natin yun as artists, 'di ba? Lagi kasi tayong merong ganun yung parang meron pa akong mabibigay So, may intindihan din naman.
Weird. Pero ang dami ko natutunan. Kasi ako, hanggang ngayon yung pinlano ko, ganun pa rin siya hanggang ngayon.
What do you mean?
By the age of 35, regardless kung sumikat pa yung SB19 or kung nandito na kami ngayon, 35 dapat meron na akong anak. Parang ganun.
Kaya nagmamadali na kami.
Kaya ba yung gagawa?
Hindi, pero ayawan ko bakit ganun ako.
Wait.
Nakakatawa lang.
Kayo ba, ikaw?
I think that must be a discussion that Pablo has had, which has led him to have that kind of thought in his mind. You know what I mean? I'm being really wishy-washy about this for a particular reason, out of respect. But I don't think he's one of those people that would put that on someone else, that in the next 5 years, I want a child. It must have come from a discussion or future planning. And I'll leave it at that.
Anong age mo nakikita yung
Age 30 daw kasi wala
Ako,
si Justin sabi niya.
ang sinasabi ko lang,
Here we
in a way,
gone?
parang, kasi nung bata ko, parang gusto ko mangyari lahat ng bata pa ako. Like, dati gusto ko mag-artista, gusto ko
His
makasama
hair
sa
on
isang
Justin
film
is
by
so
age
stunning, by the way.
17,
may ganun ka na
ganyan,
dati.
mga ganun.
Timeline.
Pero yung family, I'm not specific timeline, pero parang gusto ko mangyari lahat ng buhay ko ng bata pa ako. Tapos parang gusto ko mag-stop yung life ko by 30.
Ayan
Parang,
o, kinukwento, lagi niya sinasabi. Lagi niya sinasabi, age
parang ganun.
30.
Uy, ano mo yun?
I-retire ka na lang.
Pero ano lang
Kahit
siya.
early retirement na lang, huwag na
The power of manifestation pa naman.
Mag-stop.
Lagi
Ibig sabihin,
sinasabi yan.
yung para sa sarili niya naman.
Yeah.
Retire early, ganun. Parang 30, ano na lang ako. Parang,
Oh.
Kape-kape na lang.
Sa
Sa bundok na ako titira.
Yan.
ganyan.
No!
Parang ganun. Pero,
Justin!
yun lang. Kung parang sa regarding of having a family naman, walang very specific. Parang dreaming lang na if magkakaroon, either one or kambals.
Kami magkapatid kami, nung lumalaki kami, dalawa lang kami.
Kayo lang magkaaway.
Oo, tapos 14 years after, nagkaroon kami ng lalaking kapatid. Pag nag-away kami ng kapatid ko, ginagano niya yung 4 years old. Sana yung atin.
14 years yung gap.
Oo,
Ang malayo.
ganun. So parang yun yung parang anak ko.
Ganun, ganong feeling.
Yeah, so you've seen that.
Ikaw, kailan?
Nakadepende talaga lagi sa partner. Pag
I wouldn't expect anything else from this
Dalawa naman
gorgeous
talaga.
human
Yung parang
being.
hindi ako nagmamadali ever. Siguro kasi late na rin nga yung kumbaga career-wise, parang may hinahabol din, puro work. And kung magkakaanak man, ayoko yung parang
I just knew he was gonna say that.
mapapabayaan ko yung anak ko kasi gusto ko bigay ko yung full attention ko. As in, siguro, magbe-business ako pero hindi yung katulad na
Of course.
ako. Pero hindi na yung katulad na ganito na araw-araw, I'll take my time. As in, magkakaroon ako ng
Gusto mo yung present
for
kang
talaga,
tatay.
for family time. Kasi ako kasi medyo naging magulo yung family ko eh. So, gusto kong itama sa sarili kong buhay. Ayun.
Tsaka sobrang crucial ng yung time ng family sa growth ng bata. Yung era pa naman yun, di ba, technology, kung ano na makikita mo, sobrang taas ng anxiety, ng depression. So, if yung mga bata hindi supported ng mga magulang nila, medyo malaking problema yun para sa mga bata. So, ako rin, syempre, kahit na may akong plan na 35
mo sisimulan.
35,
Sisimulan.
35
Baka
children
bilang
daw.
35, 5 na.
35 children.
yung quintuplex 35. Malay mo, parang kung quintuplets.
Di buo na yung boy group mo.
Yun na siya na nasasanod ng lahat. Siya na bahala.
O, di ba, 5 na agad. Boy group na agad yun.
Pagkapasok pa lang, no? Ayun, tapos yun na yung papasok namin dito. Yun na yung gagawin namin business. Yung ano niya agad.
Nakakatuwa, no? Pero sa totoo lang dahil ko natutunan pagdating sa relationship. Hindi ko nga alam yung mga love language and everything. Parang ano. Dapat
You
pala
do.
aligned yun, no? Ganun.
Malaking bagay.
I'm pretty sure you do. You just haven't labeled
So
it
parang
that.
every now and then,
Yes.
kailangan nyo siyang, i-adjust din, di ba?
Tsaka, ano talaga, isa siya sa hindi pinakamadali. Kasi you really have to know like, yung person na
Makakasama mo.
para sa ito. Ano siya, parang...
They're very hesitant, aren't they? To say
Give
it.
and take din siya. Like, si Case kasi dati, hindi ka ganun ka-expressive
Hindi.
nung before. Kasi ano siya yung parang...
Angas.
Oo nga pala, nung
Angas
concert ni
siya
Kuya TJ, tanggal angas mo.
Oo, ganun. Angas-angas siya eh.
Tanggal angas mo nga pala.
Pero yun, she had to
Ayan,
Adjust.
she had to learn first. Parang give and take talaga.
Kasi umabot kami sa point na maghiwalay kami. Just because hindi kami
Malay ng beliefs.
Nagtutugma.
Kakaintindihan.
Talaga?
Hindi ko
Parang sa akin kasi,
nararamdaman na.
bakit? Nasabi ko na lahat parang binigay ko na lahat in-affirm na kita ng todo, pero bakit ganun, hindi mo parang feeling mo hindi pa rin kita love. Kasi nga, hindi nga yun yung language niya. So, siya sa kanya naman, parang binigay ko na lahat ng oras ko sa'yo. Lahat ng time ko binigay ko na sa'yo. Parang hindi mo maramdaman na mahal kita. Kasi nga, yung language ko, hindi nga ganun. So, you have to like really learn each other.
So, ano yung ano na yun? Kasi, di ba, yun nga, parang kailangan yung beliefs nyo Wala eh. Pag nasa relationship, idadrop niya yan. As in, yun yung usual kung bakit naghihiwalay yung mga tao. Pag hindi align ng beliefs. Hindi, ito yung kinalakihan ko, hindi. Ito ako eh. Ganun usually, di ba? Paano nyo na-manage yun? Ano yung exact moment na yun? Or paano nyo binitawan yung mga ano nyo?
Malaking factor, I think, na we grew up with the same faith.
Yes.
Yeah.
Na alam mo na yung moral compass ng partner mo ay same sa'yo. Na alam ng partner mo kung ano sa'yo ang tama, kung ano sa'yo yung mali. Like for example, with the way I love my parents, with the way I show my love to my parents, it's through time, through generosity. And pag hindi kayo same ng partner mo,
Agree.
may tendency na yung partner mo, bakit kayo gumagastos ng ganyan? Di ba dapat tayo na yung mag-asawa? Dapat tayo na lang to. Dapat ganito na lang. Dapat hindi mo na sila responsibilidad. Not that my family is asking me for anything. Ganun ako magpakita ng pagmamahal.
You wanna give back.
Sa mga kapatid ko.
Kasi like ngayon, we take our parents on a like annual trip. For the past years, after the pandemic, we take them on an annual trip. Both parents namin, kasama kami lahat. Wow, punta kami abroad, ganun. So, ngayon, sa year na to, parang medyo local muna, Philippines muna, kasi next year, we plan to take them medyo malayo. So, nung binip niya sa akin yung idea, mas last month lang, sabi niya, babe, parang naisip ko, again, time comes in. Kasi nga, medyo nagsiseniors na sila eh. So,
dual citizen na kasi.
nagsiseniors na sila. So, sinasabi niya na, ayokong parang nakakatakot din na, hindi man nakakatakot, but iniisip ko lang na, baka, pag hindi natin ito ginawa ngayon, kailan pa na, baka, next time, di mo malaman na.
If you were to count the days na magkasama.
Yes. Kasi, meron kaming ni case dyan na, may nabasa kasi ako na, example, I'm not from Manila. So parents namin both, they're in Mindanao. So, may nabasa kasi ako na, if ever ganito yung situation mo, and hindi ka privileged enough to bring your parents here if you want to see them, or you go home if you want to see them, sabihin natin regularly, you see your parents holidays, Christmas time, ganun. So, you get to see them once a year. Sabihin mo, your mom or your dad is 55. Life expectancy, average,
70,
75. 75.
Gosh.
55 na siya. You get to see him every Christmas. You only have 20 times to see him. Kung ganun yung mindset, di ba? Kung isipin mo, di ba? Kung isipin mo.
Then yung 20 times, sobrang kulti nun.
Exactly. So, nung na-realize namin yun, na parang, shucks, they're getting old. We're privileged na kung gusto namin sila makita, punta po kayong Manila.
I'm feeling really emotional hearing this. I'm very sorry.
Davao. But kung hindi ka ganun ka-privileged, syempre, parang pag-ipunan mo yung every Christmas mo sila makikita.
Minsan nga, every other year mo
Every other year.
What is wrong with me?
Parang, shucks, I will only get to see them this few times. So, na-realize namin yun, we have to really, parang take our time to spend with them. Kaya yun, we do those trips every year.
I work hard din.
Work hard para
Kasi
doon.
mahal yung mga trips na yun.
Mahal yun, bro.
Talaga.
Anim kami.
Tsaka lalo na dual citizen na sila, syempre doon ka sa mas comfortable round. Syempre pag kaming dalawa lang, kahit saan kami
Wala. Ano lang kami.
mapadpad, okay lang. Pero pag anim kami,
Ito ako sa dual citizen.
tas may pacing na dapat yung lakad.
Yeah.
Yung di ka makabilis.
Nakatawa kami pag umalis kami kasi
May magpapalpitate. Mapapalas ka na nanay.
Tapos, maya mahanap ka ng CR.
yan. Yan ni CR ba dyan?
Tubig.
This is hitting a little bit too close to home, you know?
Dati ko yun eh.
May gusto ko ikwento, kaya lang baka mapanood ng lolo ko. Next time na lang. Mamaya na lang pagka-break.
Nakakatawa kami pag umalis kami, 6 kami. Itong last namin, may brother niya pa, si Irmo. So 7 kami. Siya yung tour guide. Siya yung tour guide namin lagi. Sakto, pag trip kami, yung buhok niya blue. So, asan yung blue pa? Yung blue. O sige, sunod tayo dun. So, magkasama kaming 7. Parang kami mga bibe. Yung 7 kami na kayo.
Pero mahilig ka mag-arrange ng mga itinerary, no?
Yun naman.
Traveling tours.
Kasi babalik ulit tayo sa time. Minsan lang tayo magkaroon ng time to go to a certain place. So, I'd like to take my time in preparing and knowing the place kung saan tayo pwedeng pumunta, yung mga pwedeng gawin. Kasi sayang nandun ka na lang din tapos Hindi mo pa na-enjoy ng tama yung lugar.
Chris.
Kaya
So-
ako, mag-ano na talaga ako. Magti-take na talaga ako ng time to have a vacation.
Vacation yun na to.
Hindi mo, cut na po yung camera, timers. Babakasyon na po SB19.
Sasabihin kayo sa mga staff namin.
Sobrang ano nun, Kuya TJ.
Tama.
Yung parang sinabi mo. Kasi ngayon binibilang ko, lasing mom ko, birthday na mami ko. Last Christmas, hindi pa kami magkasama. Parang,
Yeah.
ano,
Bro.
tapos
Must be really hard for them.
expectancy, nasa ganitong age. So, pag binila ko, gantong araw na kayo kasama.
Oo. I mean, iba kasi, ngayon may technology na. Everyday namin nakakausap yung parents namin. Pero iba kasi,
Iba yung
iba eh.
kasama.
Yeah, it is different.
nakikita mo na ng malapitan, yung iba na yung kulubot ng balat, maputi na yung buhok dito, yung mata, iba na yung...
Stop talking about this, please.
Kasi ganun na-realize namin yun eh. Realize namin. Nung huli namin trip, parang syempre, habang tumatagal, ano ka pa eh, parang, hindi, okay naman sila eh. Doon so nag-trip kami, lakad kami. Doon na na-realize natin na parang, masyado kami mabilis. Isang tayo. Nauna kami dalawa eh. Isang pisa. Sa Korea kami.
May ngipin ba kayo?
Hindi naman, pero na-realize lang namin na
Nasanay
hindi
lang
sila
kayo.
ganun ka. It's not the
Yeah.
same anymore. So, yun. Kaya ngayon, anytime na sabi nila, gusto nila yung artist, may mag-concert sa Manila, sige, sabihin nila, punta kayo Manila, manood kayo ng concert, ganun. We spend time.
Doon sa sinabi mo ate, na-realize ko nga rin. Kasi parang pinag-uusapan nga namin. Yung mga tour, pag nagtutour kami, parang this time kasi sabi namin, uwi naman tayo. Huwag naman tayo magstay ng matagal. Kasi yung na-realize ko nga po, pag nagtutour kami, hindi sobrang tagal. Siyempre, talagang focus kami sa mag-promote, concert, ganyan. Tapos pag umuwi kami dito, pagdating ko sa bahay, pag nakikita ko yung mga pamangkin ko, parang,
Iba
ang
na.
bilis naman nila lumaki. Tapos
They
hindi
grow
ka
so
sure-
fast at
hindi
that
mo-
age too.
Naisip mo, ba, hindi ko man lang nagabayan. Hindi ko sure kung paano sila lumaki, ano yung ginagawa nila ngayon, ano yung paborito nilang kainin. May mga ganun, parang ang bilis ng
Parang
oras,
ang bilis ng
panahon. Kaya, alam mo yung sa ano,
Ang lalim.
kahit sa pets eh, yung pusa ko po,
Existential, ano na si...
Lalo sa akin, diba? Kasi yung parents ko yun nasa Manila.
pares tayo.
Same thing.
Kasi parang sa whole year, makikita ko lang sila twice. Or like once. Swerte na ba thrice? Oo nga. Medyo,
We have to
Mind blown.
take time.
Tapos minsan, pag nag-message pa, di mo masasagot kasi
Ay,
nasa
totoo yun.
yung calls, mga ganun.
Tapos di ba, ang gising pa ng mga dual citizen, 5:30, 6 a.m. Tapos
Tama,
minsan,
tama.
nakakalimutan nila, tumatawag sila sa
Kala nila, ano,
dad, mami, ay, oh, sige, sorry na.
Pero nung ulang yung nakikita mo doon,
Oo, tapos kaya ko konsensya ko na, oh my gosh, gusto lang naman din ng makipagtsikan,
Oh.
gusto lang ganyan. So,
tara, uwi na tayo. Pero tama po no, 11 years na po kayo together.
11 together.
11.
From dating to ngayon.
So, doon po sa 11 years na yun, may mga unspoken things pa po ba kayo na hindi nyo nasabi sa isa't isa or na-voice out man lang? Like, super open po ba kayo? Like, even the smallest thing na sabi nyo, na share nyo, kahit petty. Lahat ng ex. Lahat.
Kasi yung workanda kami, so lahat,
Importante history eh.
importante yun.
oo, tsaka yung mga taktik niya sa mga girls niya dati, hindi ko magana sa kanya kasi alam ko na. Yung mga kunwari, tatawag kami, nagliligaw siya. Tapos yung placement ng boses niya pag sa phone,
Malalim.
ilalaliman niya. Gusto kumain ka.
malalim.
Tapos sasabi ako, huwag mo kong charutin, hindi ka nasa akin niya. Tapos may mga, dati sa mga girls,
Kakantahan ko yun eh.
kakantahan niya sa phone. Kakantahan niya. Sabi niya, hindi ko magawa.
Hindi ko magawa sa kanya kasi dati pag mayroon akong gusto, so, kantahan kita, tapos kantahan ko ng songs. So, di ba?
Makikijump siya eh.
Parang, ang ganda naman, sip mo naman.
Siya,
Sa kanya bang, ang ganda, pero feel ko na ginajudge niya ako kasi parang flat out sa
At least Kuya Junad, kaya hindi yung pagkanta mo. Hindi siya good. Buti hindi gawa na si ate. Pumasok siya, no? Hindi siya gawa nun. Gumano si ate Casey, no?
Godlib.
Feeling ko yung adlib na yun magandang ipasok mo para mas makuha.
Nag-produce.
Pero ano,
One of these days. Pero mas totoong ikaw yun. Yung nanligaw sa akin, TJ talaga na totoo yun. Kasi wala yung mga taktik mong
Pero ate, kung okay lang tanongin, saan ka pinaka nakuha ni Kuya TJ? Ano yung pinaka sabi mong Ganon. Tapos,
I
yung
love
napagano
that.
ka talaga. na pag ganun ka, Ate Casey, parang ano yun, ganon. Yun na pag ganun ka sa ginawa niya or sinabi niya.
Yung love for the parents talaga.
Yeah. Parehas kasi tayo
Kwento
dun.
ko yung sobrang mapagmahal sa magulang niya.
Ikaw rin naman.
Tapos, may time na, bago pa lang kami neto, mag-jowa na ba tayo, di ba?
Ano, hindi ko alam ano sinasabi mo.
Yung
Kaya importante ang
nag-message
history.
yung kumain.
Oo, hindi pa. Hindi pa, nanliligaw ako sa'yo.
Niligaw pa lang.
Kumain na ba
Kumain
parents
kami
mo?
sa kumain kami sa restaurant. Cellphone na kaganyan. Tapos biglang may nag-message. Kumain ka na, baby?
Oh! Wow!
The look. Pablo did that to a T.
Goosebumps ka na. Ganun ka na. Tapos iniisip ko
Sinasabi rin sa amin yan ng mga RMs namin, kumain ka na ba?
Tapos iniisip ko na paano ko to i-confront? Sino yung nagtanong, kumain ka na, baby? Sino to message? Sino kumain ka na, baby? Tapos tawa siya ng tawa. Tapos, di ba alam mo yung pag nabubuisit ka, tapos pag tinawanan mo sa
Yes.
loob ng bubuisit.
Yes.
Sabi niya, saglit lang, tawagan natin. Mami, may...
Oh.
Baby, ang tawag
Hanggang
ngayon.
Baby.
35 na ako.
Naman,
Hanggang ngayon.
ang sweet.
Hanggang ngayon. Ganun pa rin siya. Baby, nakauwi ka na,
I'm
baby.
blushing.
Eh di mas kinilig ka.
Siyempre, hindi ko na naman nalabas yung galit ko. Tapos harap pa sa camera yung ready ka na makipag-away. Tapos biglang, Tito.
So, hindi mo sinabi ko TJ.
Tinawag ko na.
So, ano, baby ba ang tawag mo kay TJ?
Baby to.
Ngayon? Lahat.
Baby?
Tawag mo sa akin?
Baby ko?
Ay.
Iba-iba kasi.
Lahat.
Iba-iba.
Iba-iba.
Kasi ako, mindset ko na yun dati na parang kailangan mong mapumili ng mamahalin yung mahal yung parents niya. Kasi hindi niya kayang gawin yun. Paano sa Paano pa sa parents ko?
Yeah.
Diba? So,
It's
siya
a
grabe
real
siya
deal
ano
breaker,
sa
that
parents
is.
niya talaga. Sobrang love niya. And kahit sa parents ko, na-apply niya rin talaga. As in,
Exactly.
na-amaze ako.
Treat them the
every
same.
time.
Grabe, no?
Sa akin din, number one.
Ang dami yung ginawa for the both of you. Pero, yung parents nyo rin. Pero yun nga, yung mga sacrifices, related din sa time. Kumbaga yung walang time masyado, kaya bumabawi kayo ngayon sa mga mahal nyo sa buhay, including parents. Pero kung meron kayong gustong sabihin, sa time itself, hindi na lang sa inyong dalawa, pero sa time, o baka meron kayong gustong balikan or in the future, or kahit ano, basta sa time.
Years or parang right now po with the time that you have with each other, yung napagdaanan nyo and yung pagdadaanan nyo pa lang, do you have any like fears, worries, or hopes na pinaka gusto nyo or hindi nyo gusto mangyari?
Ja asks really
You
good
can share.
questions.
Ikaw na to.
Tapos universe yung tanungan sa amin. Alam ka, chill lang.
Okay, hope siguro, para positive naman for the future. I believe.
Hopes for the future. Sana mas mamayagpag pa yung career ni TJ.
Bakit ako lang?
Di kasi
Hanggang sa huli, siya pa rin,
Every time she compliments him, it's not like he can't take a compliment, but he always redirects it to her. I just really love that she said, you love your parents a lot. And he was like, so do you. He's done it so many times. I can't even remember off the top of my head the examples, but he always like kind of in accepting the compliment or in accepting whatever's being discussed, he includes the other person in that. And I really love that. He's very, very attentive.
Ay, tsaka same Kim talaga.
Galing.
Hindi, kasi syempre, your success is my success.
Yan.
Sarang ganun. And syempre, tsaka, si TJ kasi, sobrang grateful ako na siya yung husband ko kasi when I'm struggling as a person and especially as an artist, lumilingon ako sa kanya. Kasi this person also waited 15 years to be where he is right now. And 15 years is an awfully long time to wait for the opportunity that you're meant to get. May iba, year 1 pa lang, okay na. Like, this is not for me. Year 2, 5 years, but to wait 15 years and to not give up. Ibang courage yun, ibang strength yun. So, whenever I feel like giving up on myself and sa career ko, like, hanggang iyak-iyak ako. Thank you. Wala, hindi pa natapos.
Oh.
Iyak ka rin.
Hindi ako iyak.
Hindi. Whenever I feel like giving up, ito yung reminder na, yun naman. So, di ba, the entire conversation, alam natin na time is something that we cannot control. Time is something that we can try running with or running against, but we can never win against time yun. But the only thing that I'm sure of is kung ano yung ginawa ng Panginoon for TJ. Na akala niya, naubusan na siya ng oras kasi 35 na ako. Like, there's no chance for me to achieve all these things anymore because I'm past my prime years. But if you remember, one of God's miracles is He turned water into wine.
Yeah.
Pag gumawa ka ng wine, it takes years for it to be ready. Pero, ang ginawa ng Panginoon, in a
Snap.
tap of a finger, He was able to compress time. And yun yung ginawa niya kay TJ. Lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdasal niyang mangyari sa 15 years, binuhusak kanya ng Panginoon in less than a year. So, yun yung pinanghawakan ko na I'm not able to control time, but you can. Na I may feel like I'm running out of time now, but you are able to compress time. So, if I don't give up, and while I'm waiting, I'm gonna stay ready for the blessings that you're gonna give me, then you are then you are gonna give these things to me when I am ready. And when you're gonna make it rain, you're gonna make it rain hard. So parang, yun ako. Hindi ko lalabanan ng time because I cannot. I will never win. We will never win against time.
Wow. Napakaganda nun.
Iyak ko, napigil ako.
Because of your faith in time and God and your relationship, nangyayari lahat ng blessings. Napakaganda. Wow,
Maraming salamat.
nakaka-inspire.
Gusto ko marinig si Kuya TJ. Ayun po.
Naiiyak ko sa mga
Si Kuya
sinasabi.
TJ.
Kasi yung sinabi ni Casey, yung pinanghawakan ko talaga for the longest time. Narinig ko rin kasi yun sa isang preaching eh. And lagi ko sinishare yun, every concert na meron ako, yung tour na ginagawa namin ngayon, na it might look like you don't have enough time, might look like hindi ko na kaya, masyado ng kapos na to, hindi naabot. Pero His time is different from our time. Hindi parehas yun eh. So pag tayo na sabi ni Casey, tama yung stay ready. Kasi pag binigay na sa'yo yun, hindi ka makakailan. Kasi lahat ibibigay sa'yo. Isa sa mga pangarap ko dati was, sobrang tagal ko ng pangarap as a songwriter was to be able to have an original soundtrack. Yung OST na movie. Nagkaroon ako ng isa dati. Pero yung iba kasi kasi nga independent na ako eh. So iba talaga yung, parang feeling ko, akin tong song na to talaga. So ang tagal kong pinag-pray yun talaga na magkaroon. So, lagi may mga negotiations, hindi natutuloy, lagi nababump off, or hindi nagagawa yung deal. Pero yun pala, yung natuloy is yung Hello Love Again. Yun yung parang biggest movie of
Ever.
in Philippine cinema. So parang sinasabi ko na, huwag ka magmadali. Kasi, tama nga sabi mo, stay ready. Kasi pag dumating yung para sa'yo, ano yun? Kakaiba yun.
Boost
Yeah.
yun. Boost
Unique.
Sila, yun yung sa kanila, perfect testament yun eh, ng ilang years din yung inantayan nyo. Diba? But you stayed ready while you were waiting for the opportunity. Kasi minsan, nandun na tayo sa, tagal ko na itong pinagdadasal. Pero nagdadasal ka lang, hindi ka nagpe-prepare. So when the opportunity came, hindi mo kayang i-handle kasi hindi ka ready. Hindi mo pinractice.
Dapat nakaganto ka lagi, oh.
Oo, pero kayo,
Pag mulan.
ang tagal niyong inantay, pero the entire time you were waiting, you were staying ready. So, nung binuhos ng Panginoon sa inyo, alam niyong i-handle kasi pinagandaan niyo.
pray for rain and bring your umbrella.
Wow. Pray for rain and bring your umbrella.
Dala ka, mainit. Padala kang bayong kasi ulan yan.
Kaya sobrang nakaka-inspire din kayo yun na like, di ba, pumasok kayo sa industry, kailan lang na talagang, di ba, ng like, time nang go up. Tapos biglang ngayon, like, you have this big company with so much influence. Like, the first local artist to sell out the Philippine arena ng ganong kabilis. And then now you're gonna do a day 2. Like,
Who does that?
di ba, who does that? And you don't have a big company backing you up. Kayo yun eh. Sobrang sobrang inspiring.
I love that they get to hear this
Siguro kasi
from
kami,
their peers.
nandun nga kami recently nag-uusap
I think
kami
Pablo
na
felt the pressure of that.
takot kami na may regrets kami in the future. Takot kami na may what ifs kami, di ba? So minsan talaga hindi na naman kami solid as you think we are. May mga times talaga marami kaming problems. As in, lahat, sabi nga ni Pao, lahat na ng kamalasan, may balat ata sa puwet ng ano namin, sa isa sa amin. Lahat na ng kamalasan, inano rin namin, pinagdaanan namin. Pero kasi, yun nga parang, bukod sa pressured kami, ayaw namin talaga na pagtanda namin, sabihin namin, dapat tinry na natin to, no?
Yeah.
Dapat sinubukan natin to. So ngayon din, sinusubukan lang po namin. Doesn't matter kung hindi mag-fail or mag-work siya, yun nga. Pero, yun katulad nung sa inyo, di ba? You're seizing the moment. Ginagawa niyo yung, sinusulit niyo yung time ngayon, nasa own pacing kayo, hindi dapat kayo dinidiktahan na ibang tao. And, yun ang importante. Kasi, kayo, you always have together. Sabi niyo, you're a family already. A couple is a family. Hindi na kailangan ng malaking family para masabing family. Hindi kailangan na merong pwede kayong aso niyo, di ba? It's part of the family. And that said, parang as long as you guys are contented, masaya sa nangyayari, taking your time with the things that you have right now, I feel like everything will work in your favor.
In our favor.
Thank you so much po for sharing your stories and inspiring us. Alam nyo,
Nakapasok kasi ni Justin.
parang very hot. Sabi kasi
Thank you so much. Wrap it up na daw kasi kaya.
Parang kanina pa inaantay ata matapos magsalita.
Si Justin. Actually, po gusto nyo, iwan nyo na lang yung camera.
Pero,
Ano muna kayo?
kulang nga Sa totoo, marami pa tayo gustong pag-usapan
Pero sabi nga ni Justin,
Thank you so
thank you so much po.
Thank you so much.
Kasi, gusto ko lang din
Sinara
i-share.
ni... Ay, may share pala.
Ay, go.
Share pa ako.
Sorry, Justin.
Kasi po,
Wrap it up.
parang kami as a group, kung mapansin nyo, parang ilan lang yung love song namin, 2, 1, di ko nga alam. Parang sobrang bihira po namin pag-usapan yung mga ganitong topic. So, we're very happy and parang, a breath of, fresh air.
Tsaka, take notes talaga.
Take notes talaga na parang mapag-usapan din yung parang love life ng iba. Kasi, yun nga, sobrang bihira namin pag-usapan yung ganitong topic. So, we're very happy po na...
Baka parang nagpaplano ka na.
Hindi naman. Parang, wala lang, kakaiba. It's new for us po. So, thank you sa kwento and inspiration sa different side of life naman. Perspective ng life. So, maraming salamat po for your time. Sana ay marami kayong natutunan sa aming podcast for the day at sana ay talagang nag-enjoy kayo, kinilig, at natuwa kayo sa mga stories na shinare namin. And syempre maraming salamat po kay TJ.
Thank you po.
Grabe.
Sa inyo.
At tulad nga na sabi ni
Kailan na to
Justin,
movie?
thank you so much po
Yes.
talaga sa
And we're very sure.
Kasi
Yeah,
sa
man.
movie.
Tandaan, sabi nga ni Ate Casey. Salamat po.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you po. Salamat.
Thank you.
Wala.
Grabe.
Thank you. That was absolutely fantastic. I don't even know how to sum that up. I felt a lot during that because I kind of feel like I'm in a particular part of my life where either things happen or either they just won't. And it's kind of like, I feel like there may be a full stop put on some things. So it's always really difficult to sit and listen to those. And I really felt very, very emotional when I started hearing about parents, because I've noticed this as well. Like, I do a very similar thing that, like, once a year, me and my brother and our parents will go on a trip together, just us, to spend real good quality time together. And we have also had this conversation that what we do, we need to rethink, basically, because especially my dad, he is getting old, and you do realize it now. He's a little bit slower than he was before, and he needs a few extra comforts, and so we have to be really careful about planning things. It's really difficult to watch the ones that you love grow old, and the uncertainty of life, basically, that you just don't know how long you've got left, really. And it's not great to kind of mourn that loss before it happens, but I think it's really natural when you suddenly kind of shift positions where you feel like you are now starting to care for your parents. I think it's a really hard pill to swallow, basically. I think it takes a long time to kind of adjust to that. And yeah, just so many things. I think one of the most beautiful things that I've come across exploring P-pop, OPM, and getting to know these Filipino personalities is their love, your love, for God, for faith. Hearing this is so beautiful. You have no idea. As somebody who is not surrounded by these conversations, I don't know anyone, really, if I think about colleagues or even friends who have a faith. So I'm not surrounded by these sorts of conversations. So when I hear it, I just think it's so beautiful. So yeah, like just that alone is so crazy. And yeah, interesting where our boys were like coming in with their stories and how they're kind of feeling pressured under time, or like the thoughts that they have for their future. Still being quite careful about what they say though, because I guess it's not so accepted for them to have these sorts of relationships. I just pray that whatever happens with them is for the best. And again, kind of based on what Stella said, whatever it is, the decision that they make, I just want them to be thoroughly happy. I don't want him to, in the future, then think, what if I did have kids? Like whatever it is, I hope it's the best decision for them. That's all really you can hope for as a fan. And yeah, like this was really, really beautiful. And you can definitely see how KZ and TJ are just so much in love, but it's not to the point where it's like doolally, like it's fake or it's all fairy tale. It's real hard work. You can see how they're really putting in the time and the effort to sustain that relationship that they have built, and that it means a lot. It's, again, not something that I see on a day-to-day basis. I feel like a lot of the relationships that I see through, again, friendships and colleagues are very throwaway. It's out with the old, in with the new. Before you know it, before they've even mourned the past relationship, they're into the next. And I'm like, my goodness, like people move on so fast. But like, to each their own. I'm not judging. I'm just saying, like, to see a love like this is really refreshing. I feel like this is old school love. This is the kind of love that I thought that I'd grow up and perhaps one day have. So I really just love hearing from them. I think they're a spectacular couple, and I really hope and pray that they always work it out and that they have a long and fruitful relationship, marriage. Really beautiful people, genuinely beautiful people. And you see how you kind of gravitate towards people who are like you. A lot of what they were saying, I was recalling what Gary had said. And the common link in all of this is SB19. SB19 have aligned themselves with people in the industry who are kind of walking the same path, who have the same beliefs, the same outlook towards life. And I just think it's really, really beautiful. Please do talk to me about this episode of Time First. I look forward to reading what you have to say. And I think that's it. I won't bore you any longer with my opinions. Thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope that you had fun. And until I see you next time, take care. Stay safe.